That is such a confidence booster, I cannot tell you. 225 kilos I felt moved really well. I literally failed 230 like a week and a half ago with straps as well. So yeah, I did it with hook grip as well, which is always good because I haven't been able to use hook grip for a few weeks now, like almost a month, because I tore a callus in my thumb. So the skin is still a little bit raw, but yeah, I could use hook grip, which is great. I was also really thankful because my mate Matt was there, who is a beast of a deadlifter. I literally rocked up to the gym and I saw 7 plates aside. I was just like, Matt must be here. He's got like a 320 kilo deadlift from the floor with a deadlift bar. If I've got that wrong, I'm sure he'll let me know. But yeah, it was great to have him there. He could sort of like have a look at my deadlift, give me a load of like cues and just my setup on my deadlift, and it definitely helped. Things like locking in my lats, reminding me to do that, getting a bit closer to the bar, and just getting like good tension before I actually pull. It definitely helped. What I'm going to do now is go and get changed, have a little bit of food, and then I think we've got like a bonfire party to go to tonight with a few fireworks, so I need to go and get ready for that.
Matt, are you drinking or are you
I am drinking, mate, yeah. I've saved myself 1,000 calories. So.
No, I've got. Who was out using?
Last time I was here, I was carving into a nice 72-ounce steak. Happy days. Time for some fireworks. Right, let's get some of the bigger stuff on then. What is it? What is it?
Apparently this is one of the worst things Sam's ever tried.
Unicum?
It's Unicum. The Unicum when it comes out. Oh, Steve, that was a lot of fun, mate. The Unicum when it comes out for very special times.
It's alright, we got Unicum. Over to you, Jess. Go for it.
Don't smell it, just drink it. Yeah, it is. There it is. The gift that keeps on giving. Have a little sip, mate. It's just disgraceful.
Really?
It's honestly.
I don't think I can.
What is it?
It's horrible. Unicum.
Oh no! Oh no!
No,
Just smell it. No, I know. I already know what that is going to taste like.
You want
Thanks, Sam.
No worries, mate. No worries.
It's been a pleasure.
On a bonfire.
Great aerial display, didn't we?
That's it.
Yeah.
Time to go home and sleep, I reckon.
Or gym tomorrow.
Hey.
Fuck gym. Like,
Matt's still got my boots on. See, look at it. Let's go for it. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, that's buddies, Sam.
Just gonna walk on out
You
now.
want that?
Sam, you're going to sign out the video for me?
Hey, don't put the pressure on, right?
Go.
Is that
What
outside?
kind of sign out do you want? Keep Venus fixing. No, that's not right. Hang on. Let me try that again.
Keep Phoenix fixing.
Has anyone seen Jess's cat?
Keep Phoenix fitnessing.
Alright, hang on.
No pressure.
No pressure. 3. Keep Venus fixed. And again, take 3, take 3. Keep Phoenix fitnessing. Oh, that was massive. Yeah.